Welcome to our channel, Goo Goo Gaga Kids.
Hey! Hey! Lion says roar, roar, king of the land. Elephant stomps with a trunk so grand. Monkey swings high in the jungle trees, dancing and jumping with the breeze. Wild animals, clap your hands, dancing together across the lands. Jump like a tiger, stomp like a bear, move with the animals everywhere. La 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 la. Move with the animals everywhere. Hey! Tiger says grr grr, growling slow. Zebra runs fast with stripes that glow. Giraffe stretches way up high, touching the clouds in the sky. Wild animals, stomp your feet, move your body to the jungle beat. Swing like monkeys, roar out loud. Happy animals make us proud. La 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 la. Happy animals make us proud. Hey! Crocodile splashes in the river wide. Panda rolls softly side to side. Hippo dances in muddy ground, making funny stomping sounds. Hop like kangaroos, jump up high, flap like parrots in the sky. Run like cheetahs, super fast. Wild animal fun will always last. Wild animals shout hooray, learning new animals every day. Clap and dance, sing along. Jungle learning is fun and strong. Wild animals shout hooray, learning new animals every day. Clap and dance, sing along. Jungle learning is fun and strong. Wild la 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 la. Jungle learning is fun and strong. Wild la 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 la. Ginger is spicy, strong and bright. Add some zing to every bite. Sweet potato, soft and sweet. Healthy veggie we love to eat. Green chili is small and hot. Just a little, that's a lot. Red chili bright, fiery too. Adds a spicy taste for you. Cucumber cool, fresh and green. Crunchy veggie, nice and clean. Green peas, tiny, round and sweet. Pop them in, a tasty treat. Broccoli looks like little trees, full of health, eat it please. Mushrooms grow in shady ground, soft and yummy, round and round. Cabbage leaves all wrapped up tight, crunchy bites are such a delight. Corn is yellow, juicy and sweet, golden kernels fun to eat. Brinjal, purple, shiny and bright, cook it well, it tastes just right. Capsicum comes in red, green, yellow, crunchy veggie, sweet and mellow. Pumpkin, big and orange, so bright, healthy veggie, a yummy delight. Beetroot, red, good for your heart, eat it daily, a healthy start. Bitter gourd, tastes a little strong, but makes you healthy all day long. Cauliflower, white like snow, eat and watch your body grow. Ladyfinger, long and green, sticky veggie, healthy and clean. Garlic, small with a strong smell, keeps you healthy very well. Lemon, sour, yellow and bright, adds fresh flavor, feels just right. Onion makes us sometimes cry, but makes our food taste oh so nice. Cow says moo in the morning sun, gives us milk so fresh and fun. Check it, dog. Dog says woof and wags its tail, runs so fast along the trail. Cat. Cat says meow, soft and sweet, loves to curl at your feet. Fox. Fox is clever, quick and sly, runs through forests passing by. Eagle fence big with trunk so long, walks so slow and strong, so strong. That's goat. Goat says meh on the hill so high, jumps on rocks and climbs the sky. Frog. Frog says croak by the pond so green, jumps around quick and keen. Sheep says baa with wool so white, soft and fluffy, what a sight. That's pig. Pig says oink in the muddy ground, rolls around with a funny sound. Donkey. Donkey brays loud, hee-haw hee, carries loads happily. And horse. Horse runs fast with clip-clop feet, gallops strong and oh so neat. Take crocodile. Crocodile swims with a grin so wide, sharp teeth hiding inside. Monkey swings from tree to tree, chattering loud with glee. Panda munches bamboo all day, black and white, loves to play. Giraffe is tall with a neck so long, eats green leaves all day long. Take bear. Bear is big and loves honey sweet, walks with heavy, gentle feet. Deer. Deer runs fast in the forest deep, jumps so high with tiny leaps. Ostrich runs but cannot fly, long legs racing, zooming by. Wolf howls loud at the moon so bright, roams the woods in the night. Lion roars, king so bold, mighty and brave, strong and gold. Tiger prowls with stripes so bright, quiet hunter in the night. Rhino has a horn so strong, walks so heavy all day long. Gorilla beats chest in the jungle green, big and powerful, strong and keen. Cheetah runs so fast and quick, like the wind, so smooth and slick. Our bear in snow so white, loves the cold and icy sight. Goose says honk near the lake, waddles slowly with each step it takes. Cock-a-doodle-doo at dawn, wakes the world as night is gone. Little mouse runs squeak, tiny feet so soft and meek. Hops with baby inside, in her pouch they safely ride. Owl says hoot in the night so still, sits on trees upon the hill. Ant is tiny, strong and small, carries food not at all. Turtle walks so slow and steady, with its shell always ready. Zebra has stripes black and white, runs in herds, a lovely sight. Jackal runs in deserts wide, howls at night, hides with pride. Buffalo stands strong and wide, walks through fields with heavy stride. Shark swims deep in ocean blue, sharp fins cutting water through. Crab walks sideways on the sand, clips its claws with tiny hands. Peacock spreads its feathers bright, dances in the morning light. Penguin waddles in the snow, slides on ice, off they go.
Please like and subscribe.